Yo, my people, what's cracking? Down here in the southern end of the Bransfield Strait, out here with the 400 to 800, just looking for some birdies. Seen a couple of imperial cormorants, a couple of southern fulmars. Last time I was here, this is Astrolabe Island, I saw a couple of really cool birds. So yeah, we're looking forward to exploring around a little bit. It's got kind of a mini Spurt Island vibe here. We kind of punch through a crack in the mountains and head out to the other side where there's a bunch of ice. You can see lots of recent snowfall. It's quite a cold morning out here. A light wind, nothing too mega, almost no swell, so that's pretty exciting. And yeah, just looking to get out, do a little bit of informal e-birding and stoke, yo, let's go! Antarctic vibes for the win!